Hi, I'm Caria. Before we dive in, I want to give you a quick overview of how I work and how everything inside Meet Caria is organized. We'll start right here on my dashboard. This is where I give you a high-level view of your activity, key metrics, quick access to my AI Finder, so you can search for candidates instantly, and details about your current subscription plan. In the lower right corner, you can talk directly to me using voice or text. You can ask me to create a job, search for candidates, or answer questions about how I work and how to use Meet Caria more effectively. Along the top, you can switch between light and dark mode. Choose your preferred language for my interface. View notifications and manage your profile. Inside your profile, make sure you upload your company logo. This is the logo I use on all of your job postings when candidates see them. You can also create a job directly from the dashboard at any time. My workspace dashboard allows you to manage access for different users and create independent workspaces within your organization. Depending on your role or permissions, this section may or may not be visible to you. When it comes to finding talent, I use my AI Finder, which searches over 1 billion professional profiles to help you find the right candidates. These searches use your AI Finder credits included with your subscription. You can also source candidates directly using my AI Hunter LinkedIn extension, which I'll cover in the Create a Job tutorial. The Jobs tab is where I help you manage everything related to your roles. Here, you can create jobs, find and manage candidates, test AI interviews, and more. Inside my Talent Hub, you can view candidate interviews, rate applicants, and shortlist top talent. Think of this as my built-in applicant tracking system. In email automation, you can manage all of the email templates I send to candidates and your team, keeping communication consistent and automated. The analytics section lets you track where candidates are coming from, what they engage with, and how they move through your hiring process. And in help and support, you'll find ways to contact me directly, download my latest extension, view my tutorials, or join my Discord. You'll find a deeper breakdown of each section in my other Meet Caria tutorials.